Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you another unboxing of these three, yes, another, I guess, try-purchase, dual, whatever you want to say. It's a multi-purchase. Three cars from Macari. So I got these off of Macari, like I just said, for $63 in total. And it's a very good price. They're three Burago models. And 1/18 scale, of course. The scale I always usually buy in. And these are some... Oh, dogs are mad over there, so excuse them if they're a little loud. Very big box, as to be expected for, three 1/18 scale cars in here. But I guess we'll go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. Well, I say see what we got. I know what we got because I bought it, but you'll see what I got. And it's a seller that I've bought from many times before on Macari. This will be my third purchase and my seventh get that car to buy from this seller. Usually a very smooth, easy process and good prices as well as great customer service. So all around great package. And I'm excited to have another chance to get a few of her items. Sorry, these dogs are really going kind of crazy. They should kind of hush in a few minutes. Okay, so go ahead and stand up so you get a... Do you mind? Oh my gosh, they're driving me crazy. Okay, so let's take this. We got some packing here. A lot of packing. Even more packing. And an ant. There you go. Jeez Louise, that's some weird stuff. And we're almost there, guys. Almost there. Okay, dokie. Okay, so first one here, the 1937 Jaguar. I just set on all the paper. 1937 Jaguar SS 100. And I know you can't see it. I'm gonna go insane with these dogs. Holy moly. The next one. And by the way, this has a broken wheel, but I think I'll be able to fix it. Okay. Put this box on the ground so we have some more room to work with over here. And this is the Alfa Romeo 230 or 2300 Spider 1932. It's a very cool roadster. And the Lancia I've never known how to pronounce this, but the B24 Spider, the Aurelia maybe? I don't know. But what I do know is these are pretty good condition, actually. Yeah, obviously this is definitely kind of messed up a bit, but we can do some work to the box and, try to get it back to good shape. Or as best as shape we can get it to. And of course this is an unboxing. And there went a screw. Interesting. I had the same issue with one of the Corvette models I bought. Yep, there is zero base. I don't think... Okay, so it has the screw and it has the thing, so it just fell off, I guess. It's kind of bizarre, but anyway, it's a very beautiful car. It's quite different, too. It's kind of a weird mixture of a, I don't know, an MG, and Alfa Romeo, and like... It's kind of a weird, quirky looking car. Got the wire wheels. Really neat car. Beautiful color, too. 1955. And then the next one, we'll set this one aside down here, out of the wind and out of our way, so I can clean it up later. And here is the 1932 Alfa Romeo Spider, the 2300 Spider. Burago made a racing version of this, and then kind of a more street version, I guess you could say. There you go. She is very dirty. Wow. Very dirty. But that is no problem for me, because I can fix these things up just within a few hours. So, excuse me, everything's intact here. Man, the Saharan dust has come through my area, and it is making my allergies kind of freak out. So excuse my kind of maybe congestion-y voice or anything weird you hear. So yeah, good condition. Very weird, cool car. This is a very weird design here with the rear spare, but really cool indeed. And we'll take it off the base, clean it up, and then we'll screw it back in because it's quite loose, as you can see. So, very, very cool there. Okay, set that one to the side over there. This is the Jaguar SS100, the 1937. Built in April, or no, something, 1989. Oh, I just saw a screw. So the screw is right there, so we need to make sure we don't lose that, because that would be very annoying if we lost that. And this is the one with the broken wheel. Once again, a very cool design. These 30 cars, 30s kind of roadsters or sport coupes or whatever you want to call them, are pretty cool cars. And the wheel is right here. So what we're going to do, and really the only thing we're going to do, is I have some really super strong super glue, and we're going to use some of that to fix the wheel onto the car. Of course, we'll clean it up, and I'll try to find 3 catalogs for these 3 cars, and we'll get the period correct year and stuff for all these models. So yeah, I have a little bit of work ahead of me, but these cars for $63, excuse me, it's very hard to beat when it comes to just the price of individually these models nowadays. And these are in pretty good condition. They're going to need a little bit of work, but that's nothing I can't do, and I quite enjoy doing some work like this. It's pretty satisfying, and it's just really cool. It's like you're giving these things a second chance at life. You're restoring them, really. And the Lancia is down there. Actually, it'll be my first Lancia model in my collection, and I believe the first Alfa Romeo, too. So, kind of 2 big things going on here, but very, very cool cars. I'm happy with all of the purchases. And shout out to the seller. I forgot the name. I think it was Brittany Peffier, something like that, on Macari. There's not really anything left of her store when it comes to diecast cars. I've kind of bought everything from her, but yeah, there's still a couple things there. So go check her out on Macari. And very, very good service, very good prices, and some projects for me to do. So very fun stuff. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button. Put in the comments down below what you think about these models, and do you think I got them for a good price? And out of these three, what are your favorites? It's kind of a hard thing for me to choose from. Well, really, because I bought all these because I liked them. But we'll get them all cleaned up, and we'll get them looking very nice, and hopefully as close as they could get to what they looked like when they were brand new. So this is a very, very fun video for me, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it too. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and hit the like button if you liked the video. And, well, have a great rest of your day, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and GP out.